Guys, and I'll be a tutorial of how to miss these dogs. They were such a funny old meme, but they're gone now. I'll show you how to get, if you're a fan of killstreak gloves button test. I'll be showing you how to, there's a new era now. It's called killstreak gloves button test 2. If you want all the gloves, then if you want the Roblox got crashed a bit. It keeps on doing that for a bit until it just, I'm not sure. Yeah, there's don't ask why I played Play or Die. I do love voice taking though. This is another tablet because I broke mine. Accident. Story time. So basically what happened is the little charger thing, the middle thing, and your tablet, cool game, not gonna lie. NGL equals, not gonna lie, and I have to scroll you guys around. Because if I don't, then you guys are gonna get deleted. I don't want that to happen. If you see someone on Pheasant-eyed, that equals this. I want you guys deleted. So please, a good look. Think pit for it. His kills. Look all the way at the 70s. Look at the 100s. Look up here. Scroll up here. Now look at me. I'm on the 70. Who is that? Commander K. Who is me? Commander K. Anyways, I'll be showcasing you guys how to get the eye in the love glove. You want the love glove or eye glove? So first off on the eye, to get the eye glove, you need to get Mortal Streak and go to the max of it. To get Inquit Eye. And if you want heart, I totally forgot, but I think I remember most of them. You need Diamond Streak, which costs 10,000. Also, if you want there are two badges on here. Feel it and Determination. To get Determination, you need to get 5. You need to get 10 kills with Diamond Glove Max. Out. To get Feel It, you need Max on 7 on Slap Streak. That's how to get love, and I'll be showcasing you what they look like. If you don't have Mortal Streak, or Diamond Streak, Slap Streak, then you can't get the gloves. Yeah, there's a hidden secret glitch. Once you reach maxed out of it, it will say error. It's got a new error, and now everything is starting over again. So I have this. I have spectate is free. To get 250 badge, you need get the 250 badge. To get it, you need to reach 250 on killstreak. And to get speedrun, to get You're the God of Darkness. To get that, you need we got on Reaper, but you need to get it until it becomes completely dark. Yeah, that's the main reason. To get Fireball, you don't need the question mark or secret badge. You need My Eyes, which equals You need to get 777. You need to get 777 kills on kill streak, or you can click the button. And to get the flex, getting the green badge, you need to get 500 kills on kill streak. Ignore the background, I'm watching the flash. And to get the kill streak X, to get the awakening badge, you need on kill streak, you need 2,777 kills on kill streak to enable to get the awakening badge. I know it might sound hard, but it doesn't. Only if you only have an auto clicker, which is what I used, you can get it. Very easy. And to get the dual streak glove, you need the gloves you gotten. It was, oh, that badge. It's only attainable with Diamond Street, so I just looked everything apart. To get the real eyes thing, you need Mortal Streak and max it out, which what I would probably say. And then to get the heart badge, I'm able to get it. To get the determination badge, you need the determination badge. You need kill streak X, and then max it out. Then to get feel it, you need flap streak and also max it out. To get dual streak, you need diamond and you need 10 kills to get the dual streak glove. That's how to get. And then the other gloves, to get Reaper, you need 666 slots. To get Smart Streak, you need 5,000. To get Diamond Streak, which is the first 10,000 Diamond Streak, you need to get 10,000 slaps. To get Mortal Streak, you need 16,167 slaps or clicks. To get glitch, you need 20,000, which is already I have over here where my thingy track right there. And that's all the sex things. Kill streak is totally free, or the original, or default. It has a lot of stages. Then fast click is reached. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Like they do it above. Oh, we know. The green button doesn't equal, it just equals your recording. 111 clicks. I have 20,000. Three. I'm at the 2,000 spot. Look. Got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. What happened to me? With me, bro. Even at the 100 spot, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4,000. To get 71. 880. After Fencinite is warrior, then after warrior is punish knight. Alright, that's the end of the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. See you guys. What the? One more time. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.